Nick and I are off to do something that we're pretty well known for doing, and that is our outdoor cooking. So we're gonna head out to Mount Sugarloaf and we are gonna take you through a recipe that we have never tried before, but hopefully it's delicious. Got your briefcase.
Good to go.
These are the best thing you will ever buy at Bunnings.
We've had the same two for years, I reckon.
Yeah, like they're cheap. They're cheap and effective.
As soon as I start cutting, the tomato flies come out.
How dare they?
So tonight we're giving halloumi pasta with smoky chorizo a go.
Sounds so good.
Water's just about boiled. It's time for pasta.
Lovely. Ooh, yeah. We're on the boil. We're ready. So we've chopped everything up, or I should say Nick's chopped everything up. I've pretty much just sat here, you know, just sat around being pregnant. Beauty.
You do not want to drop it.
We've got the pasta on, and we've got chorizo and onion in the pan with a little bit of olive oil.
And one happy chef.
Yep, Chef Nick at the helm.
Righto, garlic going in.
How cool is our garlic press, by the way? You don't have to clean all the little bits. Like, this is the best. I can get it open. I have one job.
One job. You hold.
Oh, good. Okay. I'm going to get covered in paprika. So 2 teaspoons of paprika.
And 1 oregano.
And 1 oregano.
And give it a toss.
I'm not doing it how you do it, mate.
We'll give it a stir.
A delicate stir more so from me. I'm not the chef in this relationship.
Looks good to me.
Oh my gosh, smells good. Everyone's favourite ingredient going in, the halloumi. If you don't like halloumi, you're doing it wrong.
Okay, and once everything's cooked out, it's time for tomatoes and then cream. Calls for passata, but in my opinion, tomatoes are so much better. A chunky sauce is a lot better than a smooth sauce, in my opinion.
Yeah, I think it's healthier for you too. Maybe it's not, but it just feels like it would be.
And let's eyeball 2 to 3 tablespoons of cream. 1, 2, 3.
And 1 for Nonna. No.
You can always adjust. And after 12 minutes, the pasta's done. It's time to go in. Can I just say, look at this multitasking.
I know,
It's
look,
like-
this is why I married you. You are a cat,
It's like
man.
patting your head and rubbing your stomach all at the same time.
Look at this cat. Look, I don't mean to brag, but seriously, guys.
And after a thorough stir, it's time to plate up.
Now to hide it from the kookaburras.
Yeah. And of course some black pepper. No pasta dish is complete without cheese.
That is too true, and there's 2 types in
2
this.
types of cheese.
Voila!
Voila, and we're done. All right, all packed up. The verdict's in.
So good, like amazing.
And you're not just saying that.
No, it's not just because I'm married to you. It was actually delicious. So give that recipe a go and tell us what you think.
And it was super easy. It took us all of about, what, 15, 20 minutes max, including prep. So don't be afraid, get out there in the wild and do some cooking. Let's go check out this sunset. That is like ginormous. Such a small cycad.
The devil's pineapple. I think they're poisonous unless you kind of soak them, or you've got to do something special with them. So, devil's pineapple.
Don't eat.
Right? Me
Have you got something to say?
came like a millimetre. I was this close to touching that bug.
It's just a bug.
I don't want to touch it. I probably would have squashed the poor thing. Yep, the baby loved it. Act casual. I said act casual.